training program is very important for pharmacy technicians because their job is dealing with drug and healthcare policies every day. Through my research about this career, I found out that how necessary an adequate training program would be adopted in this field by helping them understand the foundation of government regulation for drugs and tests they are going to perform in workplace. Training and development process could be created to keep inventory control and customer satisfaction. While working on my presentation, I am able to understand the basic standards of this job have, which current challenges it is facing, and what solution are to solve the barriers or problem. Why is training and development important in healthcare organizations? Because it is one of the best strategic human resources functions. Most companies want to apply this program as an internal part when they hire employees, especially in healthcare organizations. They deploy this idea is to train and develop their people as well. Organizations aim to expand this strategy internationally. For example, they can start with a training course for employees before they begin to work. After that, a scheduled training hour will be arranged for staff to keep up with skill and new technology. Therefore, they are able to keep productivity at a high rate at workplace as long as they keep up on training program. Through my presentation, I have two problem cases. Because the innovation and new technologies help people live healthier and longer, so the older population is increasing if compared to other groups. This is the reason why pharmacy technician jobs is a high demand rate. This is a good time for people who want to be a pharmacy technician. However, the higher demand a job has, the more requirements people should meet. Basically, formal training for employees who previously have experience in this field is necessary, but it's not mandatory. For those people, they should need to go to this training program to have more specific standards of this employment, since every company requires various types of standards and procedures. Staffs who work for this company should follow the standardization and policies. Before getting this job, pharmacy techs should earn a certificate or licensure, which is accredited by Board of Pharmacy in order to practice in California. After being hired, they are supervised by pharmacists. Confidence is very important for people who want to be a pharmacy tech, because they are dealing with patients, and a lot of patients they have disease or illness. They can be very hard or very difficult to deal with. My case number 2 is like when you providing more standards and requirements for pharmacy tech, because this job is to apply qualification legal regulations in healthcare organizations. For this reason, they should be certified by Board of Pharmacy. Each employer should deploy all minimum requirements for this training program to let techs understand the duty of works. Preparation such as education and certification cannot be deprived. This is the foundation to ensure the qualification of pharmacy technicians. Another training program should be developed in educating pharmacy techs about ethics, implications, and moral values. They may interact with children and older people who are abused against healthcare laws. So this is a good course of study, helps them know how to report these case appropriately. Finally, in order to practice as a pharmacy technician, They should be aware of some software which is used to distribute drugs and medications. To summarize about training and development program, it is created as a management tool which can help to increase the efficiency and effectiveness of work. It provides the training necessary to develop the skills, knowledge, and abilities that will help to qualify employees for the performance of official duties. It also helps them to understand the quality of care and skills they are going to apply in healthcare organizations. This is the best way to transfer knowledge in school into practice in work. A training program could be provided online for employees to help them orientate themselves before working in a new environment. Thank you for listening.